You can literally get anything in IKEA for your kitchen, your bathroom, your bedroom, living room, anything that you want, electronics, cups, mugs. They set up all that for you to pick up whatever you like on the way. And it's so big that you can walk for an hour at least to see the stuff. These jars are for $4, which was for 700 something, and you can keep stuff in it, like vegetables and stuff. This is for a kid's room, if you want lamp chair. This was really cute. You can buy these books too, if you like those. $44 for this. $39 for a mirror. You can get these yellow bags. They have everywhere in IKEA, and you can put your stuff in it. And you can get the card as well. So this bed was like $149. This is beautiful. This is artificial, $21. $13, $21. I really like this yellow chair, just to have a pop of color in your living room. They were around $140, $200. And smaller chairs were like $100 and stuff. $19. $74 for the lamp. Oh, these, I really love these stars for Amazon. These were like $18 to $20. $11 per plate, $9.
See, that's 59.
We needed cord actually, so we got one from here, $89. You can get the office stuff like files, chairs, everything. $79 for this lamp. It was huge though. Looks like the gaming room. You can get $79 a table, $149 for mat. $44 for this table, and we got this one for our living room. $186. $14. $129. This is beautiful. This is for $130. And I started looking at myself in the mirror, because why not? $4 for this fake cactus, $14. You can get this painting as well, Mona Lisa.
49.
That is beautiful. $4.99, sorry. Like, you can get all the beds around $300 to $400. Even though you can get the toilet papers from there, towels, everything. This mirror for $50, $18 for this pot, $59 for chandelier, $2.99 for these mattresses.
What is this?
Everything that you see, you can buy from IKEA, but separately. Now this is the price of the plant. Pot is not included. $24. So there is this eating area you can eat. There's a whole huge restaurant inside IKEA where you can eat whatever you like. These quilts are for $54. $154, sorry. $19 for this fabric. You can get these rugs and carpets. I really love this one. It was $3.99, so I did not buy. A bit pricey for me. $2.49 for this one.
These are the black and white ones.
You can find all the sizes and all the colors that you like. These are beautiful, $12. I wanted to buy this one for a roti to keep my rotis inside, but my husband said it's gonna get moist. These are like chakers, like we use in
What's this
Pakistan
for?
and
Like,
India.
check the price.
Foods, vegetables.
I will check the prices.
These were like $18. This was $14. I came here to buy just plants and some pots for my plants, so I got my plants. So huge plants you can get for around $30, and the pots are sold separately. Then I've got this $1 bottle and this cord, $7-8 I guess, or $9-10, not sure. These lights that I got around $12-13 for Amazon, and look at how beautiful these plants look now in these pots. And so this is it, the end of the trip. And of course I got the table that I showed you earlier for $44, and this is it. Bye.